back, guys. So today I am very excited to unbox this. This one is the Samsung Z Fold 3, which is supposed to be released on August 27th of 2021. And I just received this pretty early. This one has a 7.6 inch when the Z Fold 3 is open, which is 1768 by 2208 pixels. And it has a 12 megapixel with a 2160p. And it has a 12 gigabyte of RAM with a Snapdragon 888 with a 5G. And it has an internal lithium-ion polymer battery with a 4400 milliamp henry. So anyway, let's go and then unbox this and then show you what I got. Hopefully this is the Z Fold 3 because when I purchased it, I also get the free Galaxy Tab A7. Oh, here's my invoice. Oh man, never mind. This one is the Tab A7 Lite, 10-inch Wi-Fi, dark gray color. Oh man. So got me excited for nothing. So this one is the Galaxy Tab A7 Lite edition. So yeah, that was a Z Fold 3, my bad. Well, anyway, I'm trying to keep this in seal in case I need to return this, but let me just open it up then. Since it is an unboxing channel, so it comes with the charging brick and then a charging cable. This one is a USB Type-C. What else is in here? Oh, that's it. Got the quick start guide. And it also comes with the, I'm not sure if that's a memory card or a SIM card eject tool. Check it out. It's the power button right here. Wow, now I got a fingerprint all over the place now, so. So I'm not sure if there's a memory card right there or the SIM card. I think this is only Wi-Fi edition, so there's another grill, speaker grill right there. Camera. Got the power. And then the volume rocker. Let's go and then use the SIM card tool. And then try to eject it. It doesn't come out. It doesn't want to come out. Am I doing something wrong? There you go. Alright, so this is just a transflash memory card expansion, so you can add more memory to it. I believe this one is only like a 32 gigabyte internal. And you got the Samsung Galaxy, powered by Android. So yeah, you probably need to set up the accounts and everything, so probably not going to go through that. But it's a pretty nice Samsung tab. Well, I'm gonna set this up, so yeah. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And yeah, be sure to stay tuned for the Samsung Z Fold 3 unboxing coming soon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always. Peace.